The next great event which will be discussed involves the Holy Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him, and is mentioned in chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 260 of the Holy Quran.
And mention when Abraham said, "My Lord, show me how you give life to the dead." Allah said, "Have you not believed?" He said, "Yes, but I ask only that my heart may be satisfied." Allah said, "Take 4 birds and commit them to yourself. Then, after slaughtering them, put on each hill a portion of them, then call them, they will come flying to you in haste."
First of all, it must be pointed out that the Holy Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him, did not question the process of resurrection because he had any doubts. To harbor such an evil thought about a holy prophet, peace be upon him, is foolish. He clearly answered in the affirmative when questioned about his belief in it. This is recorded in the Holy Quran and is therefore unchallengeable. An important lesson to learn from this event is the importance of gaining certainty of faith. There are different grades of faith a Muslim can adopt. The person of weak faith is like the one who's been told there is a snake in their bedroom by someone they do not trust, such as a stranger. Even though they might believe the person, yet they will not be certain the information is true. The one who has stronger faith is like the one who is told there is a snake in their bedroom by someone they trust, such as a relative. This level of faith is possessed by the majority of Muslims who accepted Islam because they were told to by someone they trust, such as their parents. The next level of faith is based on knowledge, research, and experience. For example, if a person observes signs of the snake in their bedroom, such as its shedded skin, bite marks, and other signs, this level is achieved when a Muslim gains an acts on the knowledge found within the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. This causes the signs of Allah, the Exalted, and the truthfulness of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, to become manifest to them. The more they gain and act on knowledge, the more signs they will be shown, which in turn increases the strength of their faith. Chapter 41 Fussilat, verse 53.
We will show them our signs in the horizons and within themselves, until it becomes clear to them that it is the truth.
The highest level of faith is witnessing with one's physical eyes, which will be granted to all of mankind after their death and on the Day of Judgment. This is like physically seeing the snake in the bedroom. It is vital for all Muslims to learn from this event by studying the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, so that they can strengthen their faith. Not only will the one who possesses strong faith perform righteous deeds and refrain from sins more than someone with weak faith, but they will more easily overcome any difficulties they face in their life through patience and show gratitude in times of ease. They will respond to each situation as advised by Islam and gain an uncountable reward. Meaning, when they face times of ease, they will show gratitude to Allah, the Exalted, by using all the blessings they possess correctly. When they face difficulties, they will remain patient and even be content with what Allah, the Exalted, chooses for them. This behavior will ensure they continue to use all the blessings they have been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, as outlined in the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. This will lead to peace of mind and body in both worlds. Chapter 16 An-Nahl, verse 97.
Whoever does righteousness, whether male or female, while he is a believer, we will surely cause him to live a good life, and we will surely give them their reward in the hereafter according to the best of what they used to do.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.